Have you ever felt stuck while writing code? You know what you want to build, but you are not sure how to structure it? You start coding, but soon your project became a mess of complex code. You are not the only person facing this. Every developer at some point faces this challenge. But what if I told you there is a way to write a code that's clean, scalable, and easy to maintain? A way that has been proven by the best developers in the world. That's where the design patterns comes in. Classification of the design patterns. Design patterns are categorized into three main classifications based on their purpose: creational, structural, and behavioral design patterns. These patterns has their own benefits. Number 1, isolate code changes to specific patterns. Number 2, make systems more modular and testable. Number 3, provide proven solution to recurring problems. Number 4, keeping code base healthy and adaptable. Let's start with creational design patterns. Creational design patterns deals with object creational mechanism, trying to create object in a manner suitable to the situations. Creational design patterns are important design patterns. It offers decoupling object creation, which means they separate object initialization logic from the business logic, making code more modular and easy to maintain. Flexibility and reusability. Creational patterns are more flexible and has high code reusability that allows dynamic object creation and support dependency injection for testable and scalable systems. Performance and control. Optimize resource usage like using singleton design pattern for shared instance and enforce constraints, checking that only valid objects are created.